Hey everyone, this is the Gaming MJ, and yes, you write the title. Jenna is dead. Yes, I know this literally happens, but look over in the chat. Jenna said, "Thank God there's a knife in my house." Jenna just literally just killed himself. I'll tell you who Jenna is, which is look. Daniel is the one who made the mistake and made Jenna kill himself, even though Jenna was a good person, by the way, in Discord and YouTube. I will literally let you know what yeah, this is literally Gana's YouTube channel, which is this. This is has his channel, by the way, and for some reason, Gana is dead for no reason because Daniel just literally made Gana kill himself. Daniel, Daniel, if you're watching this, I know you are. You just made a mistake by yourself. Jana is dead because of you! You just literally don't listen and you don't control your goddamn anger issues. You keep raging a lot. Daniel, how could you? You're just literally a bad person today. You just made Gana die. You just made Gana kill himself. Gana is dead because of you. Ugh, this is why no one likes you, Daniel. You just literally made Gana die. Died! You just literally made a mistake by yourself. I'm not literally gonna be friends with you. You're just literally an asshole. Because of that, you're a jerk, Daniel. Gana is dead. You are literally gonna pay what you done. What have you done? This is the Gaming MJ signing out, and yeah, will be the final warning from Daniel, which is him, over there. If you see him, attack him. I'm not dealing with that shit again. I'm not dealing with his shit. This fucker made Gana kill himself.